Welcome back, nature enthusiasts, to a riveting spectacle of resilience and camaraderie in the wild. Today, we take you into the heart of the avian world, where three adorable chicks not only embark on a journey of survival and self-discovery but also demonstrate the tenacity to defend their turf against an unexpected adversary. Watch closely as these feathered friends engage in a playful yet fierce competition for food and hone their fledgling wings in a breathtaking display of unity. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of these young birds as they navigate the challenges of the skies together. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the enchanting drama unfold in this captivating tale of three chicks' quest for sustenance and the boundless skies.
And for the wind gets up right at the surface.
Despite attempts to snatch the meal, the second chick bides its time. Eventually, success is sweet as it finally claims the remnant of the fish. Witness the unfolding story of resilience and resourcefulness, where waiting pays off, and nature ensures that no food is left unconsumed. It's a testament to the survival instincts and efficiency of the wild, where every scrap is utilized, leaving nothing wasted in the cycle of life. A moment of sheer audacity in the avian realm. Watch closely as a fearless chick takes flight, soaring into the boundless sky with unwavering determination. Its target? None other than a formidable buzzard. Witness the breathtaking pursuit as this intrepid young bird chases the intruder, attempting to fend off the imposing presence with courage unmatched. In the dance between predator and prey, the chick becomes a beacon of bravery, challenging the skies and standing resolute in the face of adversity.
Use that environment continually.
In a heartening twist of nature's choreography, it appears that both parents have joined forces in the noble task of providing sustenance for their three hungry chicks. As the young ones eagerly await their meal, the dedicated duo takes to the skies, working in tandem to secure nourishment for their precious brood. It's a testament to the collaborative efforts within the avian family, showcasing the unwavering commitment of both parents to ensure the well-being of their feathered offspring. Join us as we witness this touching display of parental unity, where the skies become a stage for the harmonious dance of caregiving, and the circle of life continues to unfold in the most heartwarming way. In a stunning display of avian prowess, one of the parents takes to the sky, circling high above with a commanding presence. With wings outstretched and eyes focused, it claims the territory with a regal elegance. This majestic aerial ballet serves as a declaration of ownership, a proclamation that resonates through the vast expanse of the skies. Two eager chicks spread their wings and take to the sky. With each beat of their fledgling wings, they navigate the open air, exploring the boundless possibilities that the heavens offer. It's a heartening scene of youthful exuberance and determination, as the duo practices the art of flight in a dance of grace and curiosity. And there you have it, fellow nature enthusiasts. Our journey into the avian world has unveiled a captivating story of survival, courage, and the unbreakable bonds of family. From daring chases to the mesmerizing flights, we've witnessed the intricate dance of life in the wild. As we conclude this adventure, let's reflect on the beauty and resilience of our feathered friends. Remember, nature's stage is vast, and each creature plays a vital role in the grand narrative. Take these moments with you, a reminder of the wonders that unfold beyond our daily lives. Thank you for joining us on this avian odyssey. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the magic of the wild with fellow enthusiasts. Until next time, may your days be filled with the awe and wonder that nature graciously provides. Stay tuned for more adventures in the great outdoors.